Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Selar affiliate program, how to make money with Selar affiliate program. So if you're one of those guys looking for how to make money online using Selar affiliate program, then this video is meant for you. So I'll be showing you how to sign up as an affiliate on selar.com and how to receive your payment from Selar and the product that you can promote on selar.com so that you can start making money online for yourself. And also you need to know that Selar is not just only meant for affiliate program where you can promote other people's product. It is also another nice platform where you can sell your digital product, your physical product, your services, and whatever that you offer online. Selar is another cool place that you can sell those products to millions of people all over the world. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'll be showing you how to get started with Selar affiliate program. So guys, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn the notification bell to all. Once I upload videos like this, YouTube will get to notify you of my new upload. And don't forget to like this video and also share it with your friends. Lest I forget, my name is Osakwene Sinochena. So guys, let's dive into the video tutorial today. As you can see right here in my screen, that this is selar.com website. So to get started with their affiliate program, first of all, you need to sign up an account. You need to register an account. To sign up an account on Selar is completely free. You are not paying for it. You are not renewing everything. So it's completely free. So once you come to Selar platform, what you need to do is click on this start selling with Selar. So I will open it in another tab so that you can see how you can get started with selling on Selar. So I've actually logged into my account. That is why it's bringing this dashboard. But let me log out because I just want to show you something. That is why I log into my account. So let me try to log out so that I can show you what I want to show you. So you can see right here that I've logged out. So once you come to the platform, just click start selling with Selar. Then it's going to open. You can see it. It's a create your Selar account. Create your Selar account is very simple. All you need to do, input your username here, input your email address, then input your full name and input your password. Then you click on create an account, and you can see right here there are several currencies that you can use to receive your payment. If you want to use Selar to sell your digital product, your physical product, there are different currencies that you can use to accept payment. So it's not only limited to Naira, maybe selling to only Nigerians. You can sell to people who are using USD, GBP, Naira, GHS, and so many other currencies. So it's not only limited to Nigeria. So to get started with Selar affiliate program and start making money with it, you first of all need to create an account. Like I said, it's completely free. So once you create an account, you'll be able to get started. I've created several accounts for tutorials, so I will not be able to create another account. But what you need to do after you have filled this form, then you click on submit, that is create an account. Your account will be successfully created. So another surface or page that is going to show to you will be telling you to add product and your bank account. And the first thing you need to do is to add your bank account first. Once you add your bank account, then you can go ahead to add your product. But that is not where I am going to, because we'll be using Selar as an affiliate program. So that is not where I am going, but I'm just telling you how to set up your Selar account so that you'll be allowed to promote or to join their affiliate program. Without doing those things, setting up your account and setting up your bank account so that you can be able to receive your commission. You will not be able to join the affiliate program. So you need to follow all these processes so that you'll be able to join the affiliate program. Now let me assume you have successfully created your account, you have successfully verified and added your bank account and every other thing. Now we want to log in. Now I want to log into my account. As you can see, let me log in into my account so that I can show you what I want to show you before we get started. So let me log into my account. I need to pause this video so that I can log into my account. So I can log into my account first. So you can see, guys, that I have successfully logged in into my account. Let me show you. You can see my dashboard right here that I've listed all products. Is about 3 products, and I've made some sales, which that is not where we are going to. We are not going to that. So I would have showed you some sales I've made, but that is not where we are going to. So now let me assume you have successfully created your account, and this is how your dashboard is going to look like. So however, you can also use Selar to sell your product. Like I said, all you need to do is come to this place, add product, then you can go ahead to list your product, what you want to sell. Like I said, you can sell your digital product, physical product, your services and subscription. You can see what you can sell on Selar, but that is not where we are going to. So let's go to where we are going to. Now you see these 3 icons right here. You click on it, you see another surface dashboard. You see dashboard, product, sales. If I want to check my sales, this is where I will see sales, customers. You see here customers here, you see sales page, wallet and payout, affiliate, and so many other things. Then you see refer and earn. So if you want to join the referral program, that is refer and earn, you see referrals, and referral payout. So let me assume I have referrals here. They are going to show right here. You can see my referral link right here. I can refer people and they sign up and I earn. So you can also use my referral link. I'm going to leave the link at the description of this video to go ahead and use it to sign up on Selar platform. So now this is what I want to show to you guys. So you can see here, you see affiliate. This affiliate simply means people want to sign up to promote your product. You want to intimate people, your friends, your brothers and family, to help you promote your product. This is where they can get the affiliate link to promote your product and others. But that is not the issue. So how do you join Selar affiliate program? How do you join this affiliate program? Now let's go to the main thing. Now here is how to join Selar affiliate program. You need to open another tab and type affiliate.selar.com. You click enter. So this is how to join affiliate program of Selar. It's quite different from this their surface or this their the home surface here. So you are going to see it. So here is Selar affiliate program. You can see. So all you need to do, go to your browser, type affiliate.selar.com. So you are going to see, you can see, say earn extra income promoting other people's products. You can see it right here. See it right here, promoting other people's product. So you earn commission right here by promoting other people's product. There are many top Nigerians who you can promote their product as an affiliate. You promote their product and they pay your money directly into your Nigerian bank account. So it's very quite simple joining Selar affiliate program. So to get started, what you need to do, you click on get started. You click on get started to join their affiliate program. You click on get started. You can see, as you can see, you need to make payment to continue. Yes, to join Selar affiliate program, it is just one-time payment of 2,000 naira. You can see it, affiliate network recommended plan, affiliate network. This plan offer more. A plan that gives you access to the biggest network of digital product creators and asset you and set you up for financial independence. You can make thousands of naira just promoting other people's product. There are so many top athletes, so many top vendors that you can promote their product. So if you are in Nigeria, all you need to do is leave it in Nigeria currency. If you are in USA, choose USA, Ghana. So whatever your currency, all you need to do is choose it then to make this one-time payment. It's not actually one time, it's yearly. It's just 2,000 naira, then you pay, you sign up. So all you need to do is click on get started, then it's going to bring another place for you. See summary. You are subscribing to the Selar Affiliate Network yearly plan. You'll be charged 2,000 naira yearly, and you can cancel at any time. If it does not favor you, you can simply go ahead and cancel it, but if it favors you, you can continue with it. But I want to assure you that the Selar Affiliate program is very cool, because there are so many products that give you access of earning around 50% commission. You see some products are selling for 50k, selling for 100k. If you're able to promote such product and make sales, you see you're going to earn 50% commission, and 50% commission of 50,000 is 25,000. And if you're able to make around 5 sales or 10 sales, you know what you are making from the platform. You see, you know what you are making. So that is why it is very essential, if you want to make money online, to join Selar Affiliate program and start making money online for yourself. And let's not forget that there are some affiliate platforms in Nigeria that you're going to pay huge amount of money, like Espadneer. You're going to pay 10,000 naira yearly, and Digistar and so many others are going to pay money. But this particular platform, you're just paying 2,000 naira yearly, and there are so many top vendors, so many affiliate programs that you can promote and earn huge amount of money every single day. And the amazing thing is that you can use Facebook ad to promote all these products. All of these products, you can promote them using Facebook ad. So if you are ready and interested to get started, use the link at the description of this video to sign up an account with 2,000 naira. Then once you come here, click pay now. Let's see what is going to show to us. Let's see another software that is going to show to us. It's loading another page where you are going to be allowed to pay the 2,000 naira to join the Selar Affiliate program. Let's wait a bit as it opened the page for us. So if you are getting value from this video, don't forget to like this video, guys. Like the video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. And also don't forget to share this video as well if you are getting value from this. So you can see it right here. You can see my email right here. You see it says enter your card number, input your card number right here. This is where you are allowed to input your card number. This is where you are allowed to put your card number. You can see it said Visa, then you put your card validity date, you put the CVV and all that. If you want to remember the card, you can just click here, remember card, and that is all. But if you don't want to remember the card, you can just leave it and pay your 2,000. Like I said earlier, there are so many payment options that you can use in this particular platform. So there are so many payment options. You can use USSD, bank and bank transfer, any method that you want. So once you are ready, just click pay 2,000 and you'll be allowed to join Selar Affiliate program. Simple as that. And you begin to promote amazing product. And this product, guys, are product that you can promote using Facebook ad. Just go to Facebook, set up a Facebook ad, target them to top countries that are buying, because Selar you can set to different countries, because Selar receive payment from different currencies. So you can just target people that has country that has money, and you'll be making a lot of sales. Or you can target people that you can pick a product that is more cheaper and target your own country, and you see you'll be making a lot of sales. So Selar Affiliate program is another cool place that you can make money online in 2023 directly to your Nigeria bank account. So guys, all you need to do is get started. Click on that get started and sign up an account, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done that. So guys, see you again in my next video.